Well, hello everyone. It's a snowy day here in Halifax, and I'm just enjoying a coffee. I thought I'd tell you about my Lil Red Express. Well, this Lil Red arrived in November 2020, and it was a sad old truck, just suffering from years of neglect. I took the boards off. They were all rotten, and I found rust holes pretty much all over. So the first thing I had to do was just figure out exactly what parts I was going to need to replace, what parts could be repaired, and get ready to start the restoration process. This old truck had sat in a parking lot, I'm told, for 11 years prior to my buying it, and it suffered from our Canadian weather and the ravages of time. As you can see, there's rust in a lot of places. However, the interesting thing was the frame was solid. So I knew I had something I could build on. The interior was tired, so I knew it needed to be upholstered. And there were things like cracks in the glove box. But her motor ran well, and I knew this old truck could be saved. So in the next few videos, we'll go over the restoration process that was involved in restoring this old truck. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and hopefully you'll click in the future as we do more videos and document the restoration of this old truck. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.